Yeah, this is engine component. This is engine component. Man Togo engine component 410. The engine is 410. Let me show you the engine block. If I show you the engine block, you see what I'm saying is clear. You see the valve lifter there, the oil valve lifter. You see, I hope you see everything clear. And this is the camshaft. This is crankshaft. This is crankshaft. This is what we call a crankshaft. Have you seen it? And here is the block. Let me show you the number. I hope you can see the number there. This is what we call engine block. Have you seen it? Yeah, engine block. Let me show you. Hope you can see the clutches there. I hope you see everything clear. This is the pump. This is the pump. What we call a pump. Pump. And this is camshaft. This is camshaft. This is camshaft. Yeah. This is camshaft. Hope you see me. And this is me, engineer one. This is what we call an engine block. Have you seen it? This is what we call an engine block. I hope you see it. This is an engine block. And this is crank, what we call a crank. We call it a crank, 410 crank. And here is the engine block. As you see me. And you can see the chassis, the block of the chassis. You can see it here. So, and this is the car. The car we are doing. This is the engine of the car. As you see me, I hope you can see everything clear. You can see everything clear. Yeah. Here, this is what we call a gearbox. Yeah, gearbox. Yeah, you see everything clear. Okay. This is what we call. Yeah.